What's going on, YouTube? This is Inga Simone. I am here for yet another Beem Box unboxing. I was able to achieve this look that I'm wearing right now with the products that were inside the box. If you would like to know what products I use, please stay tuned. Okay, I have my Beem Box here. It's looking like this. Here we go. Here's my Beem Box. Let's go. I have 5 items this time. The first item that I have is a facial oil, and it is by a company called Pure Aura. So here it is, facial oil by Pure Aura. Alright, this is how it looks out of the box. This special blend of quick absorbing oils locks in moisture and leaves the skin rejuvenated, never oily. Plant-based oils are non-comedogenic, which means these will never clog your pores. Apply after moisturizer or before applying makeup. No additives, no chemicals, and no alcohol. Okay, this is from Pure Aura. It is cruelty-free and it is a woman-owned business. All right. Okay, the next item that I have is called a Radiant Lasting Makeup Mist, and it is from Rude Cosmetics. I'm familiar with this company. Here we go. This is the box. This is how it looks out of the box. I like the colors. Get the glowing look without looking oily with this makeup mist. The illuminating formula hydrates, refreshes, and balances overall makeup. Spray on and have your makeup last all day. So this is cruelty-free, vegan, and a woman-owned business. Now, I don't see the prices of these items like in the past boxes, but okay. My next item is it is from BH Cosmetics, and it is a palette. It's called the Birthstone Palette. Okay, this must be it. It says Emerald for May on here. So this is from BH Cosmetics. Let's see what this is giving. Ooh! Oh my goodness! Ooh, look at these colors. Oh, this is pretty. Oh, this is so pretty. This is so funny because like the pants that I have on are green. Wow, okay. Wow, this is really pretty. Each smooth, matte, and dramatic shimmer offers extra long lasting wear and high impact pigment payoff, so you can rock endless eye looks. Okay, so this is cruelty free and it's vegan. Cool. Ooh, I can't wait to play with this. The next item that I have, it's a lip whip from Kari Gran. So this is what the box looks like. Oh, ooh, okay. Oh wow, this is how it looks. This is the top. And this is the color that it's in. Marsala. Ooh, okay. Huh. I really like that color. That's very pretty. That would go really well on my skin tone. Lip Whip Color Balms are the perfect mix between a lip balm and a lipstick. They give your lips the level of color you want without sacrificing the moisture boost your lips need. They are buildable for a range of intensity. Just smooth on with a clean fingertip or brush. Huh. Okay, so this company is cruelty-free, vegan, and it's a woman-owned business. Last but not least, the next item is a color switch brush cleaner. It's a brush cleaner. And the company is called Vera Mona. Ooh, yes, yes. I'm shocked I don't already have one of these, but I'm glad I do now. Something to clean your brushes when you're changing colors. So this is how it looks. And this is the brush cleaner. Clean your brushes instantly with the color switch. No water or liquids needed. Stroke your brush against the color switch sponge to completely remove eyeshadow color. Sponges are reusable and can be washed with water and soap. Okay, so the company Vera Mona, this is cruelty free, it's vegan, and it's a woman-owned business. I am excited to try all of these products. This looks like a really solid box. Like always, I will try all of these products and I will be right back. That is it for this unboxing of the September-October Beem Box. Once again, I am pleased with everything that I received. I really liked this eyeshadow palette. I feel like it was very easy to blend. I think the colors are showing very well. It was really easy to work with. It's very smooth and the pigment is on point. This lip whip is it feels very comfortable on my lips. I feel like it has the perfect amount of color. It's not too much, it's just nice and sheer. It's very moisturizing. Here is the facial oil. It felt really nice on my skin. I feel like it gave me a little bit of glow. It's not too oily, it's perfect. I used this lasting mist. At the end of the day, I'll come back to see how it holds up later on today. the color switch sponge. It worked really, really well. I had to change colors maybe once, and it worked really well to get the previous color off the brush. So it did its job. That is all. I want to thank everyone for watching. If you are new here, please subscribe, like, comment, share. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back. I thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you all soon. Bye.